School ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong naduk menta ka snem arjar apasal kan sesdang ni kejing puli ke bethamai ni ka course ka belatip kum ka Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP ha ka bagi samla puli ha ka subject arts ni science kin haban puli ya kini ka course ha ki saw sem kinthi da ka bapendap ya ki pratali ki semester di samla ki bala aban petengi kini kejing puli ki dei ki bapendap di kejing puli high secondary la ni class 12 ki bayok mark sanpo percent shaning bat kin haban ya ling baru kejing syak tunjuk ling ba ka national common entrance test menta ka snem badang sedang ni kini ka course temai kejing pediang ni ki samla puli kan long sanpo ngut na ka benta ka BA BEd bat sanpo ngut na ka benta ki samla puli BSc BEd ya kini ka course ka ba in sedang temai ya ka school ba ni hu lapan benado vice chancellor jong kini ka school ba professor PS Shukla rengkat ki wede ki noi kai ka ni hu leng ba ka jing ka do ki nong pathai khobor ha ka arpun trik mentau benaya yong arjar apusal ha Shillong Press Club.
So today we are here to even popularize the ITEP courses in Meghalaya. North Eastern Hill University Shillong Meghalaya going to start ITEP में 4-year BEd the BA included जो है BEd courses for the जो है Meghalaya student and all of you are well aware about the teachers education is a vital in creating a pool of school teachers that will save the जो है next generation teachers. Teacher preparation is an activity that requires multidisciplinary perspective and knowledge, formation of disposition and values, and the development of practices under the जो है best mentors. Teachers must be जो है grounded in Indian values, languages, knowledge, ethos, and traditions. Including the जो है tribal traditions of the state, while also जो है being well versed in the latest advance in education and pedagogy. So North Eastern Hill University going to start जो है a new course in the जो है coming academic year, that is 24-25. The minimum requirement for this course is intermediate. And this is also just like the जो है at par with the जो है NEP 2020, just like NEP 2020. This is also a student-centric course. After the first year, student can hesitate. So he can receive the or she can receive the certificate course. After second year, also chance the exit from the courses, receive the diploma courses. Third year, he can जो है again जो है exit from the courses, he can receive the जो है degree. But after fourth year जो है even fourth year degree जो है embedded BEd course. So this is the main objective of this course, to facilitate our students and reduce the gross enrollment ratio in the जो है state. And with this way, NEHU is going to provide a better fully जो है trained teacher for teaching in our state along with the other part of the country.
Thank you so much. Sir has already given an introduction of the ITEP. Now the full form of ITEP is Integrated Teacher Education Program, and this is a 4-year course. So eligibility criteria is class 12. So only after you pass, student passes class 12 only, they can enter for this course, just like engineering and medical colleges. So it's a 4-year full-time course. And NEHU is offering this course just like many other listed organizations under NCTE. So NEHU has recently got the permission to start this course, and we are very, very happy that many students now will get the opportunity to come to NEHU and get a very quality education to become good teachers in the future. Because as per NEP 2020, by 2030 there will be no more teacher education programs. There will be only the ITEP. And of course, those who are running successfully, like the 1-year B.Ed program and all, they will be running. But then only those teachers who pass from this 4-year ITEP, they will be appointed as teachers in the institutes, in the schools. Okay. So therefore, I want to say regarding the duration, the structure of this course, in NEHU at the moment now, we are offering the secondary level. Okay. Usually, ITEP has 4 variants. It has the preparatory, the foundation, the middle, and the secondary. So we have got the permission to start the secondary level and not the other 3. And so we have the number of teachers here who are well qualified in NEHU itself, in both the campuses. We also have the other teachers who are also there willing to be a part of us. Okay, and now, why this secondary level? I would just like to tell you that this secondary stage includes class 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, and in this 4 years course, you will see class 9 and 10 students. They will engage with curricular areas to ensure the breadth of the study, because they are already coming well prepared from the middle stage. So now they are coming to the secondary stage. They are quite experienced. And therefore, their curriculum will include 3 languages, okay? Arts, education, physical education, vocational education, social sciences and humanities, interdisciplinary areas, mathematics, and computational thinking and sciences. So they are going to be specialized in those. And classes 11 and 12, in class 11 and 12, more subject choices will be there. Once they pass that, then for students who pass from 11 and 12, more subject choices will be there in this program. So the different curricular areas will be again languages, art education, physical education, vocational education, social sciences and humanities, and also just like the 9 and 10, interdisciplinary and also computational thinking. Okay. Now, that the students will have the options to choose subjects here now. So because of the MDC, the multidisciplinary courses, they will have options to choose. So now they can, suppose for instance, they want to opt for mathematics, they will also have an additional, they can also opt for advanced mathematics. So mathematics will also be there, and they can also opt for advanced mathematics. So they can become a full-fledged mathematics teacher with this degree. Okay, and then this entire ITEP course, again they are running into credit hours. So they have to complete 160 credits to get this degree. Okay, and NCT has given us an option to the universities that you can also add 30% or more of your courses. So 176 is the total. So out of, you cannot cross 176. 160 is the requirement, but we as a university, we can add more till 176. Okay, and the intake now, I would just like to talk about the intake. We are having we are offering BA B.Ed and BSc B.Ed. So BA B.Ed is 50 students and BSc B.Ed is 50 students. And the main idea here is every batch we will be having 100 students coming into the university, and they will be progressing to 2nd semester, 3rd semester, 4th semester, and it will go on till the last semester, that is the 8th semester. Okay, and the main objective, I would just like to add that why we require this, which sir has mentioned just now. The most important point here is that to have quality teaching. So that when they go back and teach in schools, the children will be very, blessed to have very good quality teachers in different disciplines, like physics, chemistry, maths, then history, geography, education. Then we also have Khasi as a language. This time we have also managed to put Khasi and Garo as a language, so that our students from here, they can opt that as a language paper. And again, I would just like to say that this one, it seeks to ensure that prospective teachers are given highest quality education in content, pedagogy, values, and also practice. So internship is also very important here. And the internship program will start from 5th semester and it will go on till the 7th semester. So that is 20 credits is given for school internship, where as the students who are coming here to study in NEHU, they'll be having good opportunity to go to different schools which will be registered with us, with the university, and they will be having a very good background of internship program. Okay, and another one is that the basic requirement is how they will enter the ITEP. So in the NEHU website, you will see that we have already put the ITEP, the NTA portal, they have given us a link and a page to share in the NEHU website, which we have shared. And the last date is 30th of April. The students will have to go to that link and they have to open the page, register themselves in the portal. And then after registering, they have to pay a minimum fee of 650 rupees for SC/ST students, and the rest are I think 1000 rupees. And after that, the requirement is they need to have 50% marks in class 12. 50% marks in class 12 to register for this program. Then once they have done that, then the NCET will give them a date for examination, just like CUET. So then they sit for the NCET examination. Then after that examination is over, then NCTE will send us the scores of the students to the different universities. There is a list of universities you will see from whole India. So I think we are number 62. NEHU is number 62 in the list. So if you opt for NEHU, then obviously NCTE will send the scores to NEHU. Then after that, NEHU will sit down. We have our own regulations. NEHU has our own regulation. We will impose that regulation with that NCTE score, and based on that, like domicile of Meghalaya, SC/ST, we have reserved categories, we have physically challenged, we have all those categories, which is specifically for NEHU only. We will add those along with the NCET scores, and then the total score will be given, and based on that, the candidates will be selected in the university. So that is our
teacher education program, BSc B.Ed and BA B.Ed. It's a dual major bachelor degree, right? After completion of this course, the pass out students will be eligible for teaching at secondary as well as higher secondary, means up to class 12. Earlier, what we said, PGT and TGT. Another benefit of the students that after completion of this program, the course, the students, the pass out students are also will be eligible to take admission in 1 year PG program as well as 2 year PG program. For example, those students will exit the course at 3 years, they are eligible, they are entitled to take admission in 2 year PG program as per NEP 2020. And other students, those who will pass 4 year program, IT program, they will be eligible for 1 year PG program. As well as they can also register for the program of PhD as per new guideline of NEP and UGC. So perspectives or benefits of the pass out students are very good than the other traditional courses. It's a course of integration, not a joint program. Both disciplinary subject, interdisciplinary subject, as well as content cum pedagogy subjects will be integrated from 1 year to 4 years. Simultaneously, both they will gain content knowledge, contextual knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, research skill, and all other co-curricular and curricular activities also. That's why the Ministry of Education, Government of India designed such an innovative teacher training program that our university and Department of Education introduced this year, it will be beneficial for students of Meghalaya as well as nearer state of the Meghalaya also, and it would be a major contribution of our university for the country also. If you have any doubt, you may ask question.
Because ITEP is a 4-year course. They have to complete the 4 years to get the ITEP degree.
Especially this course tested in BA.
To be a
They
teacher.
can directly join their first year after the intermediate. And
You still can do your PG in your major subject. Say suppose zoology, then you can do your PG in zoology with this degree. It's not necessary that you will become an ML you have to do, or I have no chance, I'll just become a teacher now. Nothing like that. After this 4 years, you already got a teacher degree plus your major degree.
What about the BA?
Yeah, BA, history,
Just like the
geography, yes.
all the possibilities are there.
Everything is merged in one.
That's why this is a student-centric course.
BA, especially BA. What is a
Similarly, the NCET is also coming from NTA. So, university does not have a hand in this. It is totally with the Ministry of Education, where they have formatted and done everything. They were working on this for quite some time. For 1 year they were working on it, and finally they have come up now for the first time for teacher training. We are having a separate type of a national level entrance test. So university does not have any role here. Only after they pass from there, they come to us, then we take them over.
Just like the CUT.
I'm asking to get some.